Social media. Bringing your social media activity together with your offline marketing builds a far stronger brand. Whenever possible, let people know that you're online and where they can find you, whether it's Facebook, Twitter, or any of the other social media platforms. We've already discussed the importance of setting clear objectives with your social media strategy. And in this module, we looked at how you can bring those objectives to life. You should create your posts as if you're talking directly to your customer. Don't pretend to be someone you're not. Often people feel they need to be more professional or write posts using business language. That's not really true. People will always buy from people, and letting the personality of your business shine through your posts will create far more engagement. Remember that people like to hear good news, so share with them your business triumphs, however small. They'll enjoy hearing about real people doing real things and celebrating in ways they can relate to. You'll probably have more in common with your audience than you think. So take time to get to know what they like and create updates that include your common interests. Solve their problems. Give them some help when they need it. You're probably an expert in your chosen field, and sharing your knowledge goes a long way to creating loyal customers. It's shown that the most audience engagement comes when you use images and videos. However, do be aware that many images are subject to copyright. So do check before you post anything you're not sure of. Just because someone else has shared the image doesn't mean it's copyright free. Above all, use social media to talk to people. Don't use it just as a sales vehicle. It doesn't work that way. An important and often overlooked social media detail is that whatever you post will be around for a long time to come. Think about what you're posting. And before you post anything, ask yourself if it's relevant and appropriate for the business world. In the same vein, it's always best to never post anything negative or react unfavorably to comments that may have offended or hurt you. If you do get negative comments posted, don't react to them straight away. Unless they are offensive in nature, you should always respond to the comments, but only when you're feeling calm and in control. Do take the conversation offline though, either by giving the person your email address or phone number, or by using the messaging options. Let people see your response. Otherwise, it looks like you're just ignoring the comments altogether. Finally, remember that over 20% of people in Wales can speak Welsh. So you may want to think about running your accounts bilingually. Welsh speakers feel a greater affinity and loyalty to companies who use their own language, and even a simple diolch or bore da goes a long way.